Hello and welcome to Q's Corner. So today we're just going to do a little quick tutorial for everyone who are our Cricut users. So this is a tutorial basically for newbies. I'm just going to go over a couple of things on Cricut, and then I'll do another video probably to go over in more details, and we'll probably do some print and cuts and things like that. But today, basically, you want to utilize the Cricut best way you can. So here are shapes. Shapes is a good way to, um, like if you're trying to, if you want to make something, um, you can use the shape. I use the square a lot when I do things on Cricut, and it comes in pretty handy. It's the upload. The upload basically is when you want to upload pictures or anything to your Cricut. So if you hit upload, and of course you'll see I have a lot of things here that I've been doing. Then let's go upload an image. Browse something I have on here. Get something that's, oh, I know what's good to show. Go to download. No, go to download. I want to get something that's not PNG. I'm going to show you something on Cricut. Let me pull them up for a minute. Actually, that's not going to work. I don't think they were. Let me see. I'll pull this up. Everything I say was usually a PNG. Let's do this. Let's go find Mickey Mouse image and Mickey Mouse more than like. Okay, we're gonna use this. Save. Oh, it said here PNG, but it don't look like it. I'm gonna save another one just in case. Alright, so let's go to Cricut and let's go pull up the Mickey Mouse. Okay. Darn! Of course it will. You cannot have it a background. So, well, maybe I won't be able to show y'all what I'm trying to show y'all. Seriously. Alright, sorry about that. So I just had to find something that was not PNG. So I finally found this Mickey Mouse here. So Mickey Mouse has a white background. So you always want to hit complex. That's how I was taught. I never really used those too much, but the complex always works good for me. And then with Mickey Mouse, you want to take it out the background. So all you do is basically just click the background and boom. Let's try that again. Okay, so like I said, we're going to try that again. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so y'all can see this a little better. So here's Mickey Mouse. He has a white background. And all you're doing is clicking it. It turns into a PNG. Hit continue. always have those one outline because you can go from here. You can go from the color to the gray, but you can't go from gray to color. So then you go to save, and you save, and boom, Mickey Mouse there. Hit insert, and here he goes. And he is now PNG. So Mickey Mouse, you can do a couple of things. Like if I want to do a, if I was doing it off the mat, that's a good way I would use the shapes. And let's see, Mickey Mouse is what? Let's make them a little bigger. So I would use the shapes and just cover his. I'm gonna do his face, and you can enlarge as much as big or small depending on your mat size and all that. So I'm gonna do his face. Alright, and get his entire face on it. Okay. Then all I have to do is click highlight and then go slice. And I hope all the Mickey Mouse is sliced by. Boom. He's cut. So now I got two different pieces of Mickey. Woo woo. And just for the next, same way. I want to do a foot. And slice. And now he's missing the foot. So that's how you do your off the mat. Let's see. Of course, if you want to text, you put text in here. Now, a lot of people, you got to be careful when you're doing your text, your fonts, because if you see the pricing, that means it's not free. The ones unless you have the package. Now, I canceled my package a long time ago because I be downloading free fonts. So you select all, and this is the fonts that you have on your computer and on the system. Now, like this one, this is free. And I mean, there's a lot of free ones too. Like I said, this one is if you have the Cricut, those Cricut packages. This one is regardless, you're gonna have to pay the $4.99 for it. This is all the fonts that you have on your computer. This is the ones that's on Cricut only. Now I have a lot on my computer because I buy some and download stuff or whatever. So I don't have those packages to pay for it. No way at all. And then images. If you want to get an image, just stuff that Cricut has on here that you can pay for, or sometimes they're free. Projects is projects that you can download. Some comes with the Cricut. If you go to, depending on which machine you have, you can go to free stuff and get things from Cricut. And this is templates if you want to just play around with some stuff. So if you wanted to, let's see. I hate pulling these up because this feels they don't want to go off. But if I want to do a t-shirt, click on t-shirt and then, put some stuff on there and create something. So it's different things you can do with the Cricut. Opportunities are, let's see, replace that. Oh, now Mickey Mouse is gone. Poor thing. Anywho's, so let's see, I did cut, welding. Let's see if I want to weld something together. Oh, let's do these. I did this the other day. I want to weld some eyelashes together for somebody. And what you do, put them together, put them together, and then highlight it. And you can group it, or you can weld it together. So that's one. Whether I want to weld it, then I gotta just, cause it stayed welded. Any other time I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't undo it. So, anywho, let's do another one. Put it together, and then take and highlight it and attach it, and then flatten it. That one messed up. But anyways, y'all get the point. So this is like how I do stuff. Like a lot of like if I wanted to put like words or along here, I would put the words on there, highlight it, attach, and flatten them together. That way, when they print out, it makes a difference. This one that I weld will be as a cut. This one will be a print that I flatten and attach together. So if you weld it, it'll be, and then you can change the color. Oh, I can change this. I just want to go ahead and change it. Oh, I gotta weld it. Just unflatten it. I weld them together. And then I can change it to make it a cut. Or if I wanted to print purple. Okay, that was a pretty color. But yeah, I'll get the point. Alright, so that was just our basic tutorial. Next video we'll actually give me some ideas. Tell me something to make. And I'll make something on Cricut. Because I don't think I have nothing to make recently. Do I have anything to make? I don't know. I'll take a look to see what I can come up with. But basically, that's basically all. Cricut is not as hard as a lot of people think. So just stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to do another video and we're going to make a design and go through the whole process of putting it together. But anyways, thank you guys for watching Q's Corner. And y'all have a wonderful night. Y'all know me. I'm always up late. Good night.